This is functions part 3, and we're focusing on quadratic functions with a negative x squared term. In this presentation, we're focusing on negative x squared functions. We'll be substituting into a negative x squared function, and we'll then see how the shape of the graph changes for positive and negative x squared functions. Here we have an example of a negative x squared function. We can see that it's minus 3 or negative 3 that is in front of x squared. So if f of x equals 12 minus 3x squared, find f of x for x values between negative 3 and positive 3. So substituting all the different x values in, that's the blue numbers, and remembering to use BODMAS order, we need to do the power before multiplying. Negative 3 squared is positive 9, and then multiplies 27 and finally subtract to give you negative 15. And the rest of the calculations follow in a similar manner. So blue values are the x coordinates, red values are the y coordinates, putting them onto a graph, and we have this. This time we have an n-shaped graph, an n-shaped parabola. And indeed, the shape of a quadratic function depends on the number before the x squared term, and this is called the x squared coefficient. If this number is positive, we get a U-shaped graph. If the number before x squared is negative, we get an n-shaped graph. Now, to help us remember this, we can say that positive x squared gives us the happy smile shape, and negative x squared gives us the unhappy sad face shape.